Now going to see one more problem in the category of Rayleigh's method, that is, consider the differential equations for a problem such as d square y by dx square plus 300x square 0 to 1. Boundary conditions are given, y of 0 is equal to 0, y of 1 is equal to 0. The function corresponding to this problem is, to the extremized function is, that is I is equal to 0 to L integrated over that this domain 0 to 1. That the function is, this is the function minus half dy by dx x the whole square plus 300 x square y the whole dx. Find the solutions of the problem using Rayleigh-Ritz method. Using one term solution, y is equal to ax 1 minus x cube. So this is the trial functions is given, boundary conditions is given, and the governing equations are given, and even in the domain, what is the domain it is given. And one more function is given. This is the function problem to be extremized. The extremized function is given. With the use of this function, we have to find out that what is the y value here. What is the y value here? What is the deflection by eliminating this constant? How will you do this? Here they have given clearly the Rayleigh method. So the Rayleigh method we will use strain energy, whatever got done and everything. But here the equation is given here. So what we have to do is find out the dy by dx first. That's whole square, and substitute here, and y value you know that is trial function, and substitute completely this equation. Then the Rayleigh method you will differentiate with respect to this constant. Here the only one constant is there, a. So with respect to a you differentiate this and equate it to 0. You will get the a value. That a value substitute here. So I have written the governing equations here, 0 to 1, y of 0, y of 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, that is y of 1 is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So I is equal to 0 to half minus half dy by dx the whole square plus 300 x square y dx. So I have written this. Now I am going to take up the trial functions. Take up the trial functions y ax minus x square and checking whether this boundary condition satisfies or not. Put 0 is equal to x. That means x is equal to 0. In this equation, you will get y is equal to 0. So the boundary condition satisfies. Put y is equal to x is equal to 1 here and 1 here. Even 1 will become the a minus a. That will y is equal to 0. So both the conditions satisfies. Now we want them. According to the I, in the I equation, we have to find it out dy by dx. So I am going to differentiate this equation, and on finding out the dy by dx, then I am going to square the dy by dx whole square. So you will get the dy by dx the whole square. That is what I have done here. So I multiplied ax minus, I multiplied inside ax minus ax to the power of 4 completely inside. Then I differentiated it. X is 1, here 4x cube, so a minus 4x cube a. This value I getting it dy by dx. Then I am squaring this whole dy by x the whole square. So here also whole square. So I am getting the whole square. So when I expand this a minus b the whole square. So I will expand this a minus b after substituting here. I am substituted this value in this function, extremized function. So I have substituted this equation plus 300 x square. I have everything. This value is what the trial function, y value. This is here. This value I have substituted and multiply completely inside. After abbreviating, this expand this a square b plus b square plus a square 16 a square x to the power of 6 minus 2ab 2a square in minus x cube. It will be in this condition. So everything you are getting it. So here also 300 a cube you substitute. Then after that you simplify this equation completely. You integrated this equation, then you substitute the limit. Everything you get here also here I am substituting. Here I am integrated. Completely integrated. X power say x square x power 6, x power 7. So x power 4. This is integrated. So I am substituting the limit over here. I am getting this value. I am getting this value after substituting the limit. So this is the value of I you got. Now according to Rayleigh's method, what you have to do, differentiate the equation with respect to a. I have differentiated completely and I am getting this value. After simplification I am getting this all a and everything. You just segregate that a in one side and constants in another side. That's what I got segregated. Then find the A is equal to this much and A is equal to 25. 25. This 25 value should be submitted in the constant trial functions. In the trial functions I have submitted, this is the solution. Here you don't want to use the strain energy equation or work done equation. Here the function is given. Just find out the value of that function and substitute there and find out the deflection. This is it. Now I will recall something else. Again, this is the last problem I have written. Recall. See, this is the weighted residual. Rayleigh-Ritz method is completely different from weighted residual method. Here first weighted residual method I will do that point collocation method. It is first residual is equal to set the residual is equal to governing equation, then set R is equal to 0. What is governing equation? That is, what is the governing equation? It is given in the, it will be given in the problem. That governing equation is nothing but a differential equation that should be set to the residual. Then R is equal to 0. Here also we have to choose the trial function. It may be polynomial or it may be trigonometry. Taken A1, A2 constants should be find out and you go to substitute. Here subdomain method, R dx is equal to 0. This is residual. Again the governing equation should be put up with the domain. Whatever the domain is, 0 to n or 0 to 1 or 0 to 2, whatever the domain, you just have it and integrate that whole and equate it to 0, subdomain. Least square method. So I is equal to integration in the domain R square dx. This can be written in this form, di by dou a1 R into dou r by dou n. This is the residual variation with respect to the constants. Dx is the R residual. This R is the residual governing equation. dr by dv is the differentiating residual with respect to the constants. Then we have to set this is equal to 0 and find it out. Next equation is that Galerkin. It's very important method. Wi R is equal to dx is equal to 0. W is the weight functions, R is the residual. The weight functions taking coefficients of constants in trial function. That is residual over here. R is the residual over here. It may be one dimension if it is one integration. If it is a double integration, if it is a two dimension, it should be a double integration. And even in the polynomial, you remember that for one dimension you have to choose polynomial equation C0 C1, and if it is two dimensional, it is another polynomial equation should be chosen. So the trial functions can be chosen according to the governing equation. If it is a second order degree, you choose up to 3 constants. If it is a third order degree, 3 constants, 4 constants. 4 constants, then you can find out A0, A1, A2 and everything. So you must be remembering that. And another thing I want to tell you that is that this is the residual weighted residual 4 methods that I have explained. You please mark it up these points and properly substitute the value and properly choose the polynomial functions and properly check whether the boundary condition satisfies or not. Whether it is a trigonometry, a polynomial, it doesn't matter, but solve the problem perfectly. And now இப்போ வந்து நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது Rayleigh மெத்தட் என்ன பார்த்தோம். பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி ஈக்குவேஷன் இருக்குது, இதான் அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம். இதை அப்ளை பண்ணிவிட்டு ஸ்ட்ரெயின் எனர்ஜி கண்டுபிடிப்போம். ஸ்ட்ரெயின் எனர்ஜி கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு ஒர்க் டன் கண்டுபிடிப்போம். இந்த டபிள்யூங்கிறது லோடு ஒய். இதில் என்ன எழுதியிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா, இங்கே பாரு 0 to L W into U. இந்த யூங்கிறது டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட். இப்போது ஒருவேளை அந்த பார் வந்து ஆக்சுவல் லோட் கொடுத்துருந்தது, அந்த டிஸ்பிளேஸ் தான், அது டிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகாது. அப்போ இங்கே யூன்னு போடு, டிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் இப்படி ட்ரான்ஸ்வர்ஸ் வந்து டிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகும். அப்போ இங்கே ஒய்ன்னு போடு. சப்போஸ் இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் வந்து உனக்கு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸு கேட்டிருக்கான். ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸு உனக்கு தெரியும். ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் இஸ் டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட். ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு லோட் பை ஏரியா. லோடு பை ஏரியாங்கிறது வந்து தெரியும். சிக்மா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு W by A. ஸோ இது இப்போ நமக்கு தெரிய வேண்டியது லோடு இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு சிக்மா இன்டு ஏ. இதை கொண்டு இந்த வேல்யூ கொண்டு இதில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணு, ரோ ஏ ஊ. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துலேருந்து உனக்கு சிக்மா கிடைக்கும். ஸோ the area will be given, it should be given, otherwise you cannot find it out. Area will be given. So this is the way to mark it up. First, this is the way to solve the problem. Each and every problem is the same type and same procedure. Only thing is that the differentiation formula and integration and some concept will be different. So please go through the problems again and again. Do well. Thank you.